Hey, welcome back to CGR, and today I am going to be doing a review on two chains from the Goose Shop. Like always, if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. Now, I will have a link to the exact two chains that I have on here. One is a 14mm thickness Cuban link, white gold. It is 22 inches. The other, which I have in that bag, is a 4mm thickness, 24-inch in length tennis chain. Now, I just want to show you guys what comes in it. I took everything out just to save a little bit of time. Both chains were in the package. And so this is the original box they come in. Now, I did get these through DHL Express. And the reason I did that was because when I got them, it was about Christmas time. So I wanted to get it right before Christmas. So the reason I went with this chain is because I have this exact same one in a 19mm 24-inch with a Jesus Christ pendant, and it looks very, very nice. Now, so I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. So obviously you got your regular packaging, and then at the very bottom of the box, something you don't want to lose, so basically a warranty card. Now the tennis chain was in here. I took it out. That give you a cloth to clean your chain, and it comes in this pouch, and it's pretty cool. I put the tennis chain in here. So here is the tennis chain in 4mm in thickness. So hopefully the camera can focus on it. Now, the reason this one's a 22 and this one's a 24 is so that we could basically wear them staggered. So we could wear both of them at the same time. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how they look. So let's take a look at the tennis chain first. So here's the tennis chain. It's got nice glow. I checked it out already. It's not missing any stones. It is not scratched up. Perfect. Now let me show you the clasp. All right. So here is the clasp. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get it in focus. Like that. And this one's right here. And it has a perfect snap into it. As you can see. Got a perfect snap into it. It's not going anywhere. Perfect. The back is hollowed out. So basically any light shining through that is going to hit the diamonds from the rear. So the light will come from the back and make the diamonds in the front shine much, much nicer. And I'm sorry if you hear me there's a snow plow outside right now. They had a big snowstorm, so if you can hear that, excuse that. That's what's going on right now. And here is the Cuban one. And the clasp, I checked it out. It's not missing any stones. Checked out the whole chain. So no stones missing, which is great. Now the chain was wrapped in plastic, like a clear wrap. It takes some time to take it off, so it's got some very good weight to it. And this clasp snaps up, and I'll show you guys how the chain looks. So here's the clasp, and that hooks on. And it doesn't, so see, it hooks on perfectly, and then that snaps. And that's not going nowhere. It's got some good weight. You can hear it. Very, very good weight. I like it. This thing is gonna look sharp. Let me see if I could dim the lights a little. Let's see if I could brighten this up. All right. This thing is sharp looking. Once again, the Goose Shop, they do not disappoint. I like their material. I like what they have, the variety, the pendants they have, the different styles of chains. Now they have this chain in every size. They have them, like I said, I have one the same in a 19 millimeter in thickness. Thickness of this one is a 14. And this thing is nice. No stones missing at all. And then we got the tennis chain on. So you can see the tennis chain just hangs a little lower. And these things will look sharp. You know, they are not Moissanite. They will, obviously, you know, not pass a diamond tester. But the Goose Shop does offer Moissanite. And those will pass a diamond tester. So, here's bolt chains side by side. And I think they look sharp. So, let me put this camera, step back a little. And there you go. You can see the different size. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. All right, so before I put bolt chains on, I wanted to show you how the Cuban link looks alone. So I got my mic right here. And this is a nice size. This is a 22 inch. Like I said, if you're looking for more of a choker, you're probably looking for like a 20. 20 would probably be up to here. 18 probably up to here, but this is a 22. So if you're looking for a shorter one, a 22 is the way to go. That gives you about the size. So this is a 22. Looks sharp. Let me put on the other, both of them. So here is the tennis chain on. Now the tennis chain is a 24 inch. So as you can see, you can wear them staggered. You can go out with bolt chains just like this, or you could wear the tennis chain alone. And I mean, just wearing both of them, I think both of them look sharp. So you can see, you don't have to wear them staggered. That's optional, but that's just an option. You know, they got different chains. You could buy 2 Cuban links. One's a little smaller, and you order one. You know, you order one a 24 and one a 22, and this gives you the idea about this link. So the tennis chain looking sharp. Let me see if I could get a little bit of light. So I got a light from the tripod. I don't know if I'll turn off my light. We'll just pick it up. As you can see, we got it. And those things look sharp, man. The Goose Shop. Don't sleep on the Goose Shop. Check them out. They are looking good. So once again, like you can see it. That's how they hang together. You can wear them staggered. You can wear one. You could wear just the Cuban. You could wear just the tennis. But staggered looks good. This is the first staggered set that I actually ordered for myself. Let me put them back down on the desk real quick. So as you can see, they make a perfect set for a night out. I really like the Goose Shop. They are probably the ones I buy all my chains from. They do have bracelets that I'm trying to check out. I have not got to try out their Moissanite, which I would love to, but I want to get a diamond tester to show you guys how they work. Now below in the link, I will leave a special link that if you purchase through that, it just helps out my channel, an affiliate link, and it'll help me out. I purchased both of these myself. These are for me specifically, and so I picked them out. And once again, this is thegooshop.com. Even if you did not get the DHL express shipping, it takes about I'm not gonna lie, it took me maybe three weeks last time, which is perfectly fine, coming from where they're coming from, all the way over there. So once again, on the right we have the 14 millimeter thickness Cuban link white gold, and here's the clasp one more time for you guys. Buckles on there, clicks. She's not going nowhere. That is a 14 millimeter thickness, 22 inches in length. And here we have a tennis chain. The tennis chain is a 4 millimeter thickness. It is 24 inches in length. Here it is how it looks. Press it down, it releases. This one looks exactly just like that. If I could get it to focus. No, okay, you can see the hook right there. It just lines up perfectly. Clasp. It is not going nowhere. Check them out. Give them a try. That is again thegooshop.com. To me, they make grade A products, grade A chains. You can hear the weight to them. None of them were damaged, scratched, missing any stones. And if anything was wrong with them, they have an email. You could hit them up, and they're very fast to respond. So I can't give enough praise to them. So check out the Goose Shop. I like it. Hopefully you guys like them as well. They don't disappoint. This and some J's is going down. They look good. Perfect. So with all that being said, you know where you guys can find me. Check out more videos. I actually have a video of this exact one in a 19 millimeter in a 24 inch on the channel. Just click on it, check it out. I have that on there as well. And man, other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.